Pwede ko po dyan. Sama-sama kaya.
What is it? She's the fourth, both in money and brain. Grace, don't say things like that.
Rusty, okay ra ka? Pasensya na kayo ni Grace, ha? Just don't mind her. Kabalo ko, nga bright ka. Masalig ko nimo. Gusto ka pa eskulangon ta ka?
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, class, let's start with simple English phrases. Rusty, like na, I want to learn. Kaya nimo?
I want to
Even say it right. How pathetic. We're never going to make it.
Yeah, she'll never catch up. It's a waste of time. She's like a turtle. That's elementary.
My God. Okay, you may now go. Class dismissed.
Let's go.
Bye, teacher. Bye. You're doing great, Rusty. Don't mind them. As long as you're trying, that's what only matters. Keep on trying and keep on learning. I'm gonna go now.
Oops, sorry. Loser.
This, sir. Wow, she still doesn't understand anything. It's like talking to a wall. She's wasting my mom's time. Pathetic.
Yeah, what's wrong with teacher Rizel? Why bother teacher? She's not improving.
Class, please be kind to Rusty. She's trying her best to learn. She doesn't have the privilege that you have. She will learn at her own pace and at her own time.
Look, Mary Grace, it's so fascinating.
Fascinating? Yeah, it looks amazing.
amazing.
You're slowly learning it, Rusty. It's not about speaking perfectly, but feeling the words and understanding them. In that way, you are acquiring the English without even realizing it. I am so glad that you are learning it, Rusty. I am so proud of you. Okay, class, it's already time. Class dismissed.
Yes!
Bye, Mom.
Now speak and understand like them. Inood na yung stage.